Let me show you how to turn your GitHub profile from this to this. Big difference, right? Let's get started and make your profile stand out. First, open your GitHub account and create a new repository. Here's the important part. Name the repository exactly the same as your GitHub username. This is how GitHub knows to treat it as your profile's special README. When you're creating it, make sure to keep it public and check the box that says Add a README file. That's what we'll be editing. Once the repo is created, you'll see a default README file with some placeholder text. Click on the Edit button and delete that default message. You can write your own intro here if you want, or just leave it blank for now, because we're about to upgrade it in a big way. Now open a new tab and head over to GPRM. This site helps you generate a beautiful, interactive GitHub profile README with zero coding. Start by entering your GitHub username and click Next. You can skip the first step if you want. That one's optional. Now you'll see the customization panel. Here's where the fun starts. Pick a theme that suits your vibe, whether it's minimal, vibrant, or dark mode. Then scroll through the options and decide what sections you want on your profile. Once you're happy, click Next. In this next step, you'll be asked to add your social media and project links. Things like your portfolio, LinkedIn, Twitter, or even your YouTube channel if you have one. Add as many or as few as you like, then hit Next again. Now comes the Skills section. Here you can select all the programming languages, tools, and technologies you know. There's a long list, so take your time, or just select the major ones you want to highlight. Once you're done with that, hit Next one more time. You'll land on the final page where you can fine-tune the display. Choose what else you want to show. You can even preview your profile in real time. Once you're satisfied with how it looks, scroll to the top of the page and press the Copy Code button. Now head back to your GitHub repository, click Edit on your README file again, and paste the code you just copied. Scroll up and click Commit Changes to save it. And that's it. Your GitHub profile has just been transformed. It now looks more professional, more personalized, and way more impressive. Anyone visiting your profile will instantly get a better idea of your skills and personality. Thanks for watching. If this helped you out, don't forget to follow for more quick tech tutorials. Catch you in the next one.